Good morning everyone. In the last video we have discussed about the different methods for the preparation of phenol, and we have also discussed some of the physical properties of the alcohol. In this video we are going to discuss about the physical properties of the alcohol, and we are going to start with the acidic nature of the alcohol. When we talk about the acidic nature or the basic nature, first of all we need to know what are the acids and base. अगर एसिडिक और बेसिक नेचर के बारे में हमें स्टडी करना है तो हमें ये तो मालूम ही होना चाहिए कि व्हाट आर द एसिड एंड व्हाट आर द बेस. सो वी से दैट दोज ऑफ द सब्सटेंसेज which liberate hydrogen or hydronium ion in their aqueous solution are called acid, and those which are capable to liberate the hydroxyl ion, they are called the base. Now when you will see alcohol ROH, the system is containing a hydroxyl group, OH group, that means it will be basic system. It is also containing hydrogen on one of the most electronegative element, oxygen, so that may also liberate the hydrogen ion, so that may be acidic or basic. We will have to identify that what will be the nature of the system. क्या ये acidic है या basic है, इसे हमें सबसे पहले identify करना होगा. So we will see that what is the chances for the liberation, whether there is chance for the liberation of the hydrogen ion or there is a chance for the liberation of the hydroxyl ion. And how will you see? We will see on the nature of the bonds, the oxygen hydrogen bond and carbon oxygen bond. The alkyl group is containing carbon, so carbon oxygen bond is here. So when you will see carbon oxygen bond, carbon is a electronegative element, non-metal electronegative element, but oxygen is much more electronegative than the carbon, so surely the bond is polar. Oxygen is more electronegative than the carbon, but when you will see the polarity, that is not very pronounced. This one is positive, negative, but the polarity is not very strong. The system is capable to liberate the hydroxyl ion, but the tendency to liberate hydroxyl ion is not very heavy. But when you will see oxygen and hydrogen bond, surely hydrogen is electropositive with respect to that of the oxygen and more electropositive than the carbon. Hydrogen have a greater tendency to form a H plus ion than the C plus ion. So here's greater chance to liberate the H plus ion, and this is the reason why this one is considered as a acid. So we are going to study about the acidic nature. Now whether alcohols are strong acid or weak acid, surely the alcohols are weak acid. When you will see that what is the product of the dissociation, it will form alkoxide ion along with the hydrogen. We always say that what is the chances of the reaction, that depends on the stability of the intermediate. If the intermediate is stable, the product will be in greater amount, and if the intermediate is unstable, the product will be in the lesser amount. So if you are seeing this reaction, if the intermediate is stable, that means there is greater chance to liberate the H plus and there is greater tendency to show the acidic strength. So here you can see the alkoxide ion. H plus ion is common in all the cases. जो भी acidic character दिखाएगा उसमें H plus ion तो निकलेगा ही. तो इसकी स्टेबिलिटी हम डिस्कस नहीं करने जा रहे हैं, हम इसकी स्टेबिलिटी डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं. तो इसकी स्टेबिलिटी देखिए, there is a oxygen containing oxygen negative charge, and there is a group which is a electron donating group, a plus I effect generating group. That means this one is unstabilizing the system. If we are comparing it with water, it will form HO minus and H plus. And here this hydrogen is not considered as an electron donor or withdrawal group. That means this one is acidic, this one have tendency to lose the H plus ion, this one also have the tendency to lose H plus ion, but as the alkoxide ion is less acidic than the hydroxide ion, this is the reason why alcohols are less acidic than the water. अब यहाँ पे एक कंफ्यूजन आ जाता है. कंफ्यूजन ये आता है कि जब हम कहते हैं कि alcohols are less acidic than water, and we also say that the water is neutral by the nature. अगर वाटर न्यूट्रल है और एल्कोहल वाटर से भी कम एसिडिक है, दैट मीन्स एल्कोहल इज बेसिक। लेकिन एक्चुअली ऐसा कुछ है नहीं। ऐसा इसलिए है कि water is neutral by the nature because whatever the number of BH plus ion is liberated by the water, the same number of hydroxyl ion is also liberated. तो जो ये इफेक्ट जनरेट करता है उस इफेक्ट को ये न्यूट्रलाइज कर देता है। This is the reason why water is neutral by the nature. But in the case of alcohol, there's not such condition is appearing. यहाँ पे कोई हाइड्रोक्सिल आयन नहीं जनरेट हो रहा है, यहाँ पे एल्कोक्साइड आयन जनरेट कर रहा है, which is not known for their basic character. तो यहाँ पे alcohols are less acidic than the water. Now we are going to compare the different alcohol, that which of the alcohol is more acidic and which of the alcohol is less acidic. Before discussing about the acidic strength, we need to know that what are the effects which increases or decreases the acidic strength. Then initially I have already said that the stability of the intermediate will suggest that which of the substance is more acidic by the nature, and that stability can be explained on the basis of the plus I and minus I effect, electron donating and electron withdrawing group. If an intermediate is containing a electron donating group, that is the plus I effect, the acidity will decrease, and in the case of minus I effect, the acidity will increase. This is not only for the alcohol, this is for any of the species. If there will be a electron withdrawing group, the acidic strength will increase, and if there is a electron donating group, the acidic strength will decrease. So here we can see that the electron withdrawing group, which is also known as minus I effect, increases the acidic strength, and electron donating group, that is also called plus I effect, decreases the acidic strength. Now we are seeing the comparison of the acidic strength of the different alcohols, and here I have drawn the different intermediate of the alcohols which is formed after losing the hydrogen ion. That means these are the different alkoxide ion for the methyl, primary, secondary and tertiary system. So this one is methyl group, this one is primary, secondary and tertiary. Now when you will see this oxygen and carbon is common in all these other cases, so we are not considering these two. कॉमन फैक्टर को हम कंपेयर करके करेंगे क्या, उससे कोई फर्क पड़ने वाला है नहीं. So when you will see the next, here are the hydrogens, and I have already said that the hydrogen don't have any electron donating or withdrawing effect on the system. So the system is neither going to generate any plus I effect nor any minus I effect. So whatever the charge is there on the system, that will remain same. There's no plus I effect, neither there's any minus I effect. But when you will see this one, इस केस में देखिए there is a plus I effect, और ये plus I effect क्या करेगा, plus I effect that the electron donating effect will decrease the acidic strength. और ऐसा क्यों होता है, because this electron donating group increases the charge density on the oxygen. और आपने पहले से पढ़ रखा है, greater the charge lesser the stability, greater the energy lesser the stability. तो यहाँ पे charge concentration बढ़ जाने की वजह से stability कम हो जाती है. So in this way you can say that the primary alcohols are less acidic than the methyl alcohol. Why? Because of the alkyl group, because of the electron donating group, because of the plus I effect. अब आइए सेकेंडरी को देखते हैं. This is the secondary one, having two donating groups. In the primary one there was only one alkyl group, one donating group. In the case of secondary one there are two donating groups. Surely there is a greater electron donating effect, there is greater plus I effect, and surely the acidic strength will be lesser because these two donating groups are again increasing the charge on the oxygen, and the amount of charge on the oxygen at this time is even higher. और अगर हायर है तो ऐसी कंडीशन क्या होगा, स्टेबिलिटी कम हो जाएगी इंटरमीडिएट की और एसिडिक स्ट्रेंथ भी कम हो जाएगा। Similarly, in the case of tertiary system, there are 3 alkyl groups and that decreases the acidic strength even more, and in this way you can say that out of these 4, that is the methyl, primary, secondary, tertiary, the methyl one is the most acidic. So you can say the more acidic is the methyl alcohol, then it is primary, then secondary, and then tertiary. What's about the phenol? Whether phenol is more acidic or less acidic. When we talk about the phenol, or when we talk about the anion which is found after the liberation of H plus ion from phenol, then this ion is found. This ion is called phenoxide ion. क्या इसकी स्टेबिलिटी इन एल्कोक्साइड आयन से ज्यादा है या कम है? जब आप देखेंगे दिस चार्ज डीलोकलाइजेस इन द फॉर्म ऑफ रेजोनेंस, ये चार्ज आ जाएगा आर्थो पोजीशन पे, अगली बार पैरा पे, फिर आर्थो पे, दैट मीन द डीलोकलाइजेशन ऑफ चार्ज इज टेकिंग प्लेस, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ द डीलोकलाइजेशन ऑफ द चार्ज डेंसिटी ऑन द ऑक्सीजन बिकम्स लेसर. दैट मीन्स हियर द बेंजीन रिंग इज वर्किंग एज ए इलेक्ट्रॉन विथड्राइंग ग्रुप, एंड इफ द phenol is working as an electron withdrawing group, it will increase the acidic strength. So you can say out of these 4, that is the methyl, primary, secondary, tertiary, and phenol, the phenol is most acidic. Even that is much more acidic than the phenol. If you will compare the acidity of phenol with the normal alcohol, that is the ethanol, primary alcohol, you will find that the phenol is much more acidic. आपके डेली लाइफ में इस समय एक बहुत ही कॉमनली यूज्ड सब्सटेंस है, दैट इज कॉल्ड द सैनिटाइजर. आई थिंक आपको याद होगा, द सैनिटाइजर कंटेन्स 70% ऑफ एथेनॉल एल्कोहल. 70% एल्कोहल को हम हाथ पे लेके यूं रब कर लेते हैं, एक बार 2 बार नहीं, दिन में 10-12 बार हो जाता है. जितनी बार होता है उतनी बार हम सैनिटाइजर यूज करते हैं अवॉइड करने के लिए वायरस को. लेकिन हमारे घरों में जो फिनॉल यूज होता है ऑन द नेम ऑफ फिनाइल, मॉपिंग एजेंट की तरह हमारे घरों में पोछा लगाने के लिए यूज होता है फिनाइल, वो सिर्फ 2% होता है. और अगर उसे हाथ पे यूं लगा लिया जाए तो आपका सारा स्किन निकल के बाहर आने लगेगा थोड़ी देर बाद. इवन 0.2% फिनॉल एज ए एंटीसेप्टिक यूज किया जाता है, और एंटीसेप्टिक्स भी आपकी स्किन को काटने के लिए कैपेबल होते हैं, वो भी सैनिटाइजर से बहुत ज्यादा एसिडिक होते हैं. दैट मीन्स द फिनॉल इज मच मोर एसिडिक देन द एल्कोहल्स. सो दिस इज द सीक्वेंस ऑफ द डिफरेंट एल्कोहल, दैट इज द फिनॉल, मेथिल, प्राइमरी, सेकेंडरी एंड टर्शियरी एल्कोहल. In the next video, we will see some of the important mechanisms of alcohols and which are very important for the exam point of view. Till then, thank you. Have a nice day.